Cover crops are an excellent way to improve the soil in a vegetable garden. They help retain moisture, add organic matter, and protect the soil from erosion. In this particular bed, we had some extra carrot and fenugreek seeds, so we threw them in, and they grew really well. Now, it's time to use this cover crop to make our garden bed even better for planting. The first step is to cut the plants down and level them with the soil. We will use a shovel to do this carefully, making sure not to disturb the soil too much. Instead of mixing the plants into the soil, we simply lay them flat on the surface, allowing them to break down naturally. This keeps the soil structure intact while still providing all the benefits of organic matter. The roots of the cover crop will stay in the ground, adding organic material underground as they decompose, while the tops will slowly break down on the surface. Once the plants are cut and leveled, we will sprinkle some organic rock phosphate powder over the bed. Rock phosphate is an excellent source of phosphorus, which is essential for strong root development, better flowering, and improved fruit production. Since phosphorus does not move easily in the soil, applying it now ensures that the nutrients will be available when the next crop is planted. Rock phosphate also supports beneficial microbes that help break down organic matter and improve soil fertility over time. After adding the rock phosphate, we will spread a thin layer of fully decomposed manure or compost on top. This step is important because compost helps speed up the breakdown of the cover crop, turning it into rich organic matter that will feed the soil. A thin layer is all that is needed, just enough to cover the bed evenly. The compost will help retain moisture, support microbial activity, and improve soil health. Over the next 10 to 14 days, the cover crop will naturally decompose, enriching the soil with nutrients. Microbes and earthworms will work to break down the organic material, making the nutrients available to the next plants we grow. The compost also introduces beneficial bacteria and fungi, which support plant health and improve resistance to diseases. Unlike synthetic fertilizers, this natural approach builds long-term soil fertility without harming the environment. Using a cover crop in this way has many benefits. It improves soil structure, making it easier for plant roots to grow and absorb nutrients. It helps retain moisture, reducing the need for frequent watering. As the plants break down, they release valuable nutrients into the soil, reducing the need for chemical fertilizers. This method also suppresses weeds by creating a natural mulch that covers the soil, preventing weed seeds from sprouting. By following this simple process, we can prepare the bed naturally and improve its fertility without any synthetic chemicals. This method keeps the soil alive with beneficial microbes, ensuring healthy plant growth in the next season. After 10 to 14 days, the bed will be ready for planting, rich in nutrients and full of life.